Hi, this is Sakshi from Elemzy, and today I'll be explaining how to use the Elemzy Students app. Go to Play Store or App Store, search for Elemzy for Students and download the app. Click on Create an account and enter the institution ID and click on Continue. Enter your email address, password and re-enter your password over here and click on Register. Enter your first name, middle name and last name and click Submit. Enter your mobile number, last 3 digits of USN, select class and division and click on Submit. After approval, once approved, you can log in by entering your email address and password. After logging in, the home page will display a calendar and upcoming events. Swipe left to view your timetable. Swipe right to view the notice board. Click on the bell icon in the top right corner to view all the notifications. Menu options accessed via the top left bottom. In the menu, you will find options for events, attendance, classes, results, holistic ranking, exams, leave requests, messenger, and setting messengers for students. Go to the menu and click on messenger. Select the person and send your message. Student attendance. In the menu, click on attendance. Select the semester, subject, and date to view your attendance. Now next is student classes. In the menu, go to classes. Select class, division, and subject. You can download notes from here. Now how to view the events? In the menu option, go to the events and holidays. You can view events, holidays, and important dates from here. Next is reporting an error. In the menu, go to settings, scroll down and select and report the error from here. Describe the error in detail and then you can submit it. This guide will help you navigate and use Elemzy Students app if